Are you ready to supercharge your health and elevate your wellness game? Welcome back to Beyond the Body. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of superfoods, nutrient-packed powerhouses that can transform your diet and boost your overall well-being. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know which superfoods truly deserve a spot on your plate. That's why we've curated a list of the top 10 superfoods you absolutely must try for better health. If you're looking for the #1 fat-burning secret, click the link in the description to check it out right now, then come back to this video. Stay tuned as we unveil these incredible foods that can help you feel your best every day. Number 10. Turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice, often found in curry dishes, is renowned for its active compound, curcumin, which boasts powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. While it may rank at number 10, turmeric is a superstar in its own right, known for its ability to support joint health and enhance digestion. Its unique flavor adds warmth and depth to meals, making it a versatile addition to both savory and sweet dishes. Unlike the higher-ranked superfoods, turmeric's benefits are often amplified when combined with black pepper, which enhances curcumin absorption. While it may not have the same immediate energy-boosting effects as some of the top contenders, its long-term health benefits, including potential cancer-fighting properties and improved brain function, make it a worthy inclusion in your diet. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can be as simple as adding it to smoothies, soups, or golden milk, making it an accessible superfood that deserves a spot in your pantry. Number 9. Broccoli. This green cruciferous vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins C, K, and A, as well as fiber and folate. Ranking at number 9, broccoli stands out for its impressive ability to support heart health and bolster the immune system. Its unique combination of antioxidants helps combat oxidative stress, making it a formidable ally in the fight against chronic diseases. Unlike the higher-ranked superfoods, broccoli is particularly versatile. It can be enjoyed raw in salads, steamed as a side dish, or blended into smoothies for a nutrient boost. Its distinct, slightly bitter flavor can be balanced with spices or sauces, enhancing its appeal. While it may not offer the same immediate energy or exotic flair as some of the top contenders, its consistent presence in health-conscious diets speaks volumes about its benefits. Incorporating broccoli into your meals not only adds vibrant color, but also ensures you're fueling your body with essential nutrients that promote overall wellness. Number 8. Sweet potatoes. This vibrant orange-fleshed root vegetable is not only delicious, but also a nutritional gem, rich in beta-carotene, vitamins A and C, and fiber. Ranking at number 8, sweet potatoes are celebrated for their natural sweetness and versatility in both savory and sweet dishes. Their unique ability to provide sustained energy makes them a favorite among athletes and health enthusiasts alike. Unlike the higher-ranked superfoods, sweet potatoes offer a comforting, hearty texture that can be enjoyed baked, mashed, or even as fries. Their low glycemic index helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them a smart choice for those managing diabetes. While they may not have the same antioxidant punch as some of the top contenders, their rich nutrient profile and satisfying flavor make them a staple in many healthy diets. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your meals not only adds a pop of color, but also ensures you're indulging in a wholesome food that supports overall health and well-being. Number 7. Spinach. This leafy green powerhouse is a nutritional heavyweight brimming with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. Ranking at number 7, spinach is celebrated for its versatility and ability to enhance a variety of dishes, from salads to smoothies and sautés. Its mild flavor allows it to blend seamlessly into meals, making it an easy addition to your daily diet. Unlike the higher-ranked superfoods, spinach is particularly low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight while still packing in essential nutrients. Its unique combination of antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, supports eye health, setting it apart from other greens. While it may not have the same energy-boosting properties as some of the top contenders, its nutrient density and health benefits make it a must-have in any health-conscious kitchen. Incorporating spinach into your meals not only boosts your nutrient intake, but also adds a vibrant green color that enhances visual appeal. Number 6. Avocado. This creamy, nutrient-dense fruit is a favorite among health enthusiasts, packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and a wealth of vitamins, including E, K, and B6. Ranking at number 6, avocados are celebrated for their rich, buttery texture and versatility, making them a delightful addition to salads, smoothies, and even desserts. Their unique fat content not only promotes satiety, but also aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from other foods, setting them apart from the higher-ranked superfoods. While avocados provide a satisfying richness, they may not deliver the same immediate energy boost as some of the top contenders. However, their ability to enhance flavors and textures in dishes makes them a culinary favorite. Additionally, avocados are known for their potential benefits in reducing cholesterol levels and supporting heart health. Incorporating this superfood into your meals not only elevates taste, but also ensures you're indulging in a wholesome food that contributes to overall well-being and vitality. Number 5. Chia seeds. These tiny, nutrient-packed seeds are a powerhouse of health benefits, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. Ranking at number 5, chia seeds are celebrated for their unique ability to absorb liquid and form a gel-like consistency, making them a fantastic addition to smoothies, puddings, and baked goods. Their high fiber content promotes digestive health and helps maintain a feeling of fullness, setting them apart from the higher-ranked superfoods. Unlike some other superfoods, chia seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. Simply sprinkle them on yogurt or oatmeal or mix them into your favorite recipes. While they may not provide the same immediate energy boost as some of the top contenders, their long-lasting energy release makes them an excellent choice for sustained vitality. Additionally, chia seeds are known for their potential to support heart health and reduce inflammation. Adding these versatile seeds to your meals not only enhances texture, but also ensures you're fueling your body with essential nutrients. Number 4. Salmon. This succulent fish is a culinary delight and a nutritional powerhouse, renowned for its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and essential vitamins like B12 and D. Ranking at number 4, salmon is celebrated for its heart-healthy benefits, including reducing inflammation and supporting brain health. Its distinct, buttery flavor and flaky texture make it a versatile ingredient, perfect for grilling, baking, or even enjoying raw in sushi. Unlike the higher-ranked superfoods, salmon stands out for its ability to provide a substantial dose of healthy fats, which are crucial for maintaining optimal health. While it may not have the same antioxidant properties as some top contenders, its nutrient density and delicious taste make it a favorite among health-conscious eaters. Additionally, salmon is an excellent source of selenium, which plays a vital role in metabolism and immune function. Incorporating this delectable fish into your meals not only elevates your dining experience, but also ensures you're nourishing your body with essential nutrients that promote overall well-being. Number 3. Quinoa. This ancient grain has surged in popularity, and for good reason. Packed with complete protein, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a rare plant-based source of protein. Ranking at number 3, quinoa is also rich in fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants, contributing to its reputation as a superfood. Its unique, nutty flavor and fluffy texture make it an incredibly versatile ingredient, perfect for salads, bowls, or as a side dish. Unlike the higher-ranked superfoods, quinoa is gluten-free, making it an excellent choice for those with dietary restrictions. While it may not boast the same omega-3 content as salmon or the vibrant antioxidants found in berries, its nutrient profile and ability to keep you feeling full make it a staple in health-conscious diets. Additionally, quinoa cooks quickly and easily, making it a convenient option for busy lifestyles. Incorporating this wholesome grain into your meals not only enhances flavor and texture, but also ensures you're fueling your body with essential nutrients that support overall health and vitality. Number 2. Kale. This leafy green has earned its place as a nutritional superstar, packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium. Ranking at number 2, kale is celebrated for its impressive antioxidant content, which helps combat oxidative stress and supports overall health. Its robust, slightly bitter flavor and hearty texture make it a versatile ingredient, perfect for salads, smoothies, and even as crispy baked chips. Unlike the top-ranked superfood, kale is particularly low in calories while being incredibly nutrient-dense, making it an ideal choice for those looking to boost their intake without adding excess calories. While it may not provide the same immediate energy boost as the #1 contender, its long-term health benefits, including improved heart health and enhanced digestion, are undeniable. Additionally, kale's ability to thrive in various climates makes it widely accessible. Incorporating this vibrant green into your meals not only elevates your dishes, but also ensures you're nourishing your body with essential nutrients that promote vitality and well-being. Number 1. Mandolquis tausenendis benambochus yes the tausenatius is and blueberries. These small, vibrant berries are a powerhouse of nutrition, bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their rich color and contribute to their impressive health benefits. Ranking at number 1, blueberries are celebrated for their ability to combat oxidative stress, support heart health, and enhance brain function. Their sweet tart flavor makes them a delightful addition to a variety of dishes, from smoothies and salads to desserts and breakfast bowls. Unlike kale, which is more savory, blueberries offer a natural sweetness that appeals to both children and adults alike. While other superfoods provide essential nutrients, blueberries stand out for their high concentration of antioxidants, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, their low-calorie and high-fiber content make them an excellent choice for weight management. Incorporating these delicious berries into your diet not only adds a burst of flavor, but also ensures you're fueling your body with powerful nutrients that promote overall health and longevity. Blueberries truly deserve their top spot as the ultimate superfood. In this video, we explored the top 10 superfoods you must try for better health, each offering unique benefits to enhance your well-being. We began with turmeric at number 10, followed by broccoli, sweet potatoes, spinach, and quinoa, showcasing their nutritional prowess. At number 6, we highlighted the creamy goodness of avocados, followed by the nutrient-dense chia seeds at number 5. Salmon took the number 4 spot, celebrated for its omega-3 richness, while kale ranked at number 2 for its impressive antioxidant content. Finally, we crowned blueberries as the ultimate superfood, packed with antioxidants and flavor. Each of these superfoods can play a vital role in your diet, contributing to improved health and vitality. We encourage you to explore more about these incredible foods and consider incorporating them into your meals. Remember, small changes can lead to significant health benefits. So, take action today and start your journey toward a healthier lifestyle by adding these superfoods to your plate. Your body will thank you.